must support him farmer downstream, you must support him land upstream. So, I mean, we start a project design, matching grant na imisan him here. Maybe implement the finish lo PPAP, maybe give him 300,000. We talk thank you, chairman, maybe ICC, we start CO, only Aaron, only approve him, bless support him na grab him factory. Big investment, they made them work him here. Big 3 months time, we come back like looking myself. More Papua New Guineans must be involved in the exporting space of coffee. You mean I can grow coffee, that's what I give you longer line. You mean Papua New Guineans, Papua New Guinean companies must be involved in the export of coffee. The PPAP, you mean finish. One day you start here. Now the PACD project I finished by got more Papua New Guineans will be involved in this space. Okay, that's about green bean. I'm to muna story misarem. People must move now long. Next stage. The coffee value chain. When I'm looking at roastery stop. And finally, I believe by end of this year, we will have the full downstream processing plant by Kamabla here. Owned by a Papua New Guinean company. You may have a British benefit, brothers. What's going to happen to our farmers? That is the bottom line. That's the dream I had. That's the dream that my team, in PPAP and PACD we have, in CIC we have. We want to see at the end of the day, our coffee farmers receive more money from the coffee they produce and sell. We cannot tell them to produce more coffee without putting more money into their pocket. Once they have that increased price received here, for 6 kilo, with the downstream processing plant, it will be 50% more, maybe with the roastery, maybe 30% more. Time only look at myself, outside them 6 kilo, now look 9 kilo, 10 kilo here. All coffee farmers selling coffee outside, or what here? What here? Now, time like a bag by sleep or sleep also by sleep coffee garden. And that's all, yeah. Company to talk like you like to increase production. You invest in this. Talking is enough. By end of this year, we will have this downstream processing plant here. Let me start here. Work in a joint venture arrangement with this private company, Wia Trade, and then we replicate this coffee downstream processing in Eastern Highlands, in Simbu, in Hagen. In the next 10 years, we will have that. And when we do that, then we will realize the end game of the government. You talk about increased coffee production is only going to happen when we have more of this processing plant. We're starting here in Morobe, and Morobe is the right place to also to do it. Seaport, airport, and start here. Now you can't make what up. Coffee and we come through Morobe and what up. The Finchaven and goes right place you start to downstream processing plant inside of Morobe too. I mean no wrong. You will be an tasol. Walk about long, talk about big plan, start here and one time. One kind of coffee, walk me behind him and carry me one time. Managing director, we are trying to talk finish. Long time talk 6 million, but then good man, I'm talking like 4 million support as well. But suppose company no come. This thing he has been doing. Since 2020, I'm exporting, I'm looking at I'm selling coffee and I invest back inside. I'm trying to ask him support long line. Or give me support long I'm going to the carbon to look. So I'm selling coffee, I'm buying machinery like I'm. Look at what I'm selling some love. Now I'm asking, now me support him like all. For 4 million kina is a loss of 4 million kina. We hear about 100 million kina been thrown away into the rubbish trap. Nothing comes out of it. Support him now, end of the year. But he may come back. But Prime Minister can come. Minister of Coffee can come. Minister of Agriculture can come. Come and launch him first coffee downstream processing plant a year. With a loss of 4 million kina. You like 5 million to give, you like 6 million kina to you give him. You like 10 million, you can give it too. Let me ask you 4 million kina so. Mira to plan to one sala mi thank you. I'm very very privileged. Mi thank you lo CEO lo mi bla. Charles Abu Mr. Want mi bla. It's a very very significant occasion for the industry, the coffee industry. And very significant. This is the first time we are now mi bla move lo farmer and now pa mi bla. Igona. Mi by talk mi thank you lo. CEO lo mi staff. Chairman lo mi la ICC. Me pushing you, but you pushing me, but at the end, you come up. Thank you. Thank you, now God bless.